ጤና ይስጥልኝ. Hello, I am Mesfin. Welcome to Amharic Reader Lessons. Lesson 10. In the lesson 9, we have learned the D group letters D, J, P, C. In this lesson 10, we will learn 5 more letters. We call them Ha or He group. The first 3 letters are formed by 3 legs. Ha or He, Te, Che. It is difficult to pronounce those letters. Te, Che, Te, Che. Actually, those 2 letters, V and J, belong to B group, and they are formed by 2 legs, V, J. Ha, Te, Che, V, J. There are many systems for romanization or Latinization of Amharic alphabets. To Latinization or romanizations of these letters, in this slide I prefer to use the double consonant system instead of appendages or marks as by IPA, International Phonetic Alphabets. Ha, Te, Che, V, J. Let us read those letters. Ha, Hu, He, Ha, He, He, Ho. Ha, Hu, He, Ha, He, He, Ho. Te, Tu, Ti, Ta, Te, T, To. Che, Chu, Chi, Cha, Che, Ch, Cho. Ve, Vu, Vi, Va, Vie, V, Vo. Je, Ju, Ji, Ja, Je, Je, Jo. In this row, we can see how we put the appendage or signs. Ha, Hu, He, Ha, He, He, Ho. Ha, Hu, He, Ha, He, He, Ho. Te, Tu, Ti, Ta, Te, T, To. Che, Chu, Chi, Cha, Che, Ch, Cho. Ve, Vu, Vi, Va, Vie, V, Vo. Je, Ju, Ji, Ja, Je, Je, Jo. Some words with these letters. Hakim, Temenja, Chou, television. Wata, Habesha, Terpeza, Chama, Chereka, Hinta, Tota, Chira, Chis, Tana Hike. Hug, Hak, Hamsa, Bahir, Hisab, Himam, Hilm, Hamle, Hike, Tana Hike, Hitzan, Haset, Hakim Bet, Hizbawi, Hawult, Metzhaf, Tit, Tota, Tikit, Tawat, Watat, Wust, Tiyake, Tenkara, Ait, Sutota, Matebia, Ategeb, Mistir, Betam, Betam Turu, Tornet. Bicha, Witch, Chubye, Choma, Chamma, Tafach, Chota, ጨመረ፣ ጭማቂ፣ ጨረቃ፣ አጭር፣ ጭንቀት፣ ተጨረሰ፣ እንጨት፣ መጨረሻ፣ ጩኸት። In Amharic, we have rarely words written with letter V. In my opinion, this letter V was added later to the Ge'ez letters to pronounce words with foreign language origin, like visa, villa, virus. Here we have words with the letter J, geji, television, and jet.
የዛሬው ጉዟችን በውሃ ላይ ነው። ከአዲስ አበባ ከተማ በ570 ኪሎ ሜትር ርቀት ላይ በምትገኘውና ከውሃ ዳር በመቆርቆሯ ስሟን ካገኘችው ባህር ዳር ከተማ። ባህር ዳር በጣና ሐይቅ ደቡባዊ ጫፍ ነው የተከተመችው። በጣና ሐይቅ ላይ ከሚገኙ 10 ወደቦች መካከል አንዱ ከሆነው የባህር ዳር ወደብ ጀልባችን ተነስታለች።
Until this point, we have learned the letters B, C, Sh, Z, K, H, L, A, G, N, M, T, Ch, Q, Y, H, P, R, F, M, W, H, A, C, D, J, P, C, H, T, Ch, V, J. H, Hu, Hi, Ha, He, H, Ho. T, Tu, Ti, Ta, Te, T, To. Ch, Chu, Chi, Cha, Che, Ch, Cho. V, Vu, Vi, Va, Vie, V, Vo. J, Ju, Ji, Ja, Je, Je, Jo. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to be updated with the lessons.